This class for class 10. Last day I have started exercise 8.3. Question number 1, Roman number 1 and 2 I have finished. I have given 6 formulas about the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. I think you have learned. So one thing is that some students asking me that whether that online class notes you have write in copy or not. Yes, today I will say that. So you write the notes in classwork copy. Because you see, if you write the notes in classwork copy, then it will be in systematic. Number 1. Number 2, when school will open, you will not get the time. Because after opening the school, your PT1 exam will be held. So at that time, you will not get the time. Also, that copy's mark is there. So you will write the online class notes in classwork copy. I have finished only the chapter 2, small chapter, not big, and the chapter 8 is going on. Okay. So after today, so you will write the online class notes in classwork copy in my subject. Other subject I don't know. Is that clear? So you will get another time. Still 1 month is there. So you will write the notes in classwork copy. So it is notice to you. So okay, then last day I said that to try to complete the number 3 and 4. Okay, I am solving you. Here given you see that cos 48 minus sin 42. I said that if specific angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, then you will put the values from the table, trigonometric table. But other angles will use the complementary angle. So here you see 48 and 42, then obviously we will use the complementary angle. So one ratio we will change. We can change this one also. We can change this one also. So short process is that complement of cos is sine, we know, and the complement of 48 is 42. So first you find the complement of the ratio, and then you will find the complement of the angle. So this is the short process. Okay, and minus that this one will not be changed, sine 42, and now this and this cancel, answer is 0. Okay, I said that two terms either divided, multiplied, added or subtracted, then one ratio will change and then you will simplify it. Then number 4. Number 4 here given that cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. And this one also same as with number 3. So we will change suppose the first term. So complement of cosec is sec and the complement of 31 degree is 59. So this one will not be changed. So sec 59 and this plus minus cancel, answer is 0. It's very easy. Okay, we can change this one. If we change this one, then this one don't change it. So number 3 and number 4 of question number 1 is finished. And question number 1 is completely finished. This is easy, man. So now we will start the question number 2. Question number 2 here given that show that. Okay, show that. So start question number 2. Question number 2. Number 1, we have to prove it. Here given that 10 48 degree, then 10 23, 10 42 and 10 67. Here 4 terms are produced and this is equal to 1. We have to prove it. Means product of these 4 terms is equal to 1. We have to prove it. Now one thing you see here, that 48 degree and 42, these two are the complementary angle. 23 and 67 are complementary angle. So we will change first 2 terms, this term and this term we will change it. Or we can change last 2 term also. If we change first 2 term, then this 2 term don't change it. Okay. So here 4 terms are there. So we will change 2 terms. So let us change the first term. Complement of 10 is cot. And the complement of 48 is 42. Second term, complement of 10 is cot. And the complement of 23 is 67. So these 2 terms will not be changed. 1042 and 1067. Now we will arrange. So cot 42 according to the angle we will change it. Cot 42 and 1042. These 2 terms we write together. And then cot 67 and 1067, these 2 terms. We have arranged the terms 1042 and cot 42. We have arranged this according to the angle. Now you see, we know that the cot Cot is opposite. Cot theta we can write 1 by tan theta. Means tan is opposite of cot or cot is opposite of tan. Is that clear? So if we cross multiply, then cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Is clear, you see? Tan is opposite of cot or cot is opposite of tan. Then cot theta we can write 1 by tan theta. If we cross multiply, then the product of these two opposite ratios is equal to 1. Here one condition that theta angle should be same. Here theta, here must also be theta. Then the product of the opposite ratios is equal to 1. You see this note. Okay, you have to remember. Then we can write that sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Then sec theta into cos theta equal to 1. Product of opposite ratios. Remember that opposite ratios is equal to 1. Then here you see cot and tan are opposite, their angle is same. Condition is that the angle should be same. Then this cot 42 into tan 42 we can write 1 into. Then cot 67, tan 67, here also cot into tan, angle is same. So this and this term product is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So it is proved. Okay, we have to prove is equal to 1. So this note is very important. This here, if we know, we can solve the problem easily. So number 1 is proved, that is equal to 1. So number 2 we have to prove is equal to 0. See the term, how it is given. Number 2, prove that cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. We have to prove it. Here sin is minus, here also 4 term, but this term then minus this 2 term. Okay, equal to 0 we have to prove it. And here you see, either we will change this 2 term or we will change this 2 term. Okay, so let us, we can change this 2 term. Then complement of cos is sin, then complement of 38 is 52. Okay, then this term also complement of cos is sin, and complement of 52 is 38. Okay, we have changed this 2 term by complementary angles. Minus, then this 2 term will not change. Sin 38 and sin 52 will be same. Is that clear? Now you see this term and this term completely same. So this term is plus and this term is minus, so this completely plus minus terms is cancelled. So answer is 0. Is that clear? So this term and this term completely same. This plus term and this is minus, so plus minus cancelled. Answer is 0. So answer is 0. So number 2 is finished. Is that clear? Now number 3. Question number 3, 4, 5. This 3 math is same. Okay, this 3 math is same. Start number 3. Number 3, given 10 2a is equal to cos a minus 18 degree. Okay, they are given 2a. 2a is an acute angle, not only a. 2a, this complete term is an acute angle. Remember, if angle is acute, then we can find the complement. Okay, either it is 2a, 3a, 4a, it should be complement so that we can find the complement. So this is a relation given, we have to find the angle A. Okay, we have to find the angle A. So this is talking about an equation. And so this term, see, this term, this type of terms will solve this way. We will find the complement of any one term, either this one term or this one term. But you see the term, this one will be easy to find the complement. Now suppose 2a is an acute angle, then what is the complement of 2a? It is clear that 90 minus 2a. Okay, 90 minus 2a is the complement of this angle 2a, because 2a is an acute angle. So the complement of 10 is cot and the complement of 2a is 90 minus 2a is equal to, this is not cos. Okay, this is cot, and question was about cot, this one. So this is cot a minus 18. Now you see, right hand side it is given that cot, left hand side 10, Now 10 we have expressed left hand side also chord. So both sides we have expressed as ratios chord. Okay, then chord of this angle and chord of this angle, if same ratio, then this ratio can cancel it. Okay, it is the process, both sides we have to express as the same ratio. Now you see that this chord and chord cancel, don't cancel this way. So this cancel, so 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. So now you see that trigonometric ratios is out, not there. So this is an equation in terms of a, we have to solve for a. So this a transform, so minus 2a minus a is equal to minus 18 minus 90. So it is minus 3a is equal to minus, it is how much? 8108. So therefore a is equal to 3060. So we got the answer a equal to 3060. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So this line is very important. How to change it? Okay, so it is solved and that angle A equal to 3060. Now you see angle A 36 is clearly acute. Then 2A, that will add 2 into 36, it is 72, and 72 also acute angle. So it is finished. Number 3. So number 4 also it is same. Okay, number 4 also same. I will show number 4.